Alright guys, we are back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday evening. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. Like I said before, if you are brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video. And me, I like to keep it consistent around here, so please do me a favor. Just hit that little notification bell down below as well, and it'll do just that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. And also, if you're brand new to the channel, you probably don't know, but now you do know. Today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. They have been taking care of the channel for a pretty long time. If you don't know who they are, their links are in the description. Make sure you check them out. Give them a follow. It's free. If you decide to purchase something off of them, make sure you let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you, and I am sure they will take extra good care of you as they take care of me. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into today's review. Alright guys, before we jump into today's video, I want to give a shout out to my daughter, Gia. Now, if you're brand new, you don't know, I got 3 kids. One is 20. He actually works with me every day, graduated high school, got accepted to St. John's. Forget about it, the kid's amazing. Edwin, I love you. And I have 2 identical twin daughters. And today, Gia came home from school with some artwork. It was for mom, but then she said, no, dad was home. I'll explain why I'm home, why I was home, but she gave me this. Mia made mommy something, but I don't think that's gonna make it in today's video. No, I just want to say thank you to my girls, thank you to my wife, to my kids. I love you guys all so much. Well, before we get into today's video, guys, I actually had another episode on Wednesday evening. I had another seizure, man, and I stopped taking the new medication that they gave me because it's really been messing with my stomach. But like I said, that's for another video. We'll get into that. But I am back today with a brand new review. And today we're here to take a look at the Air Jordan 2 White Cement. Now these are just looking like some plain old Air Jordan 2s, you know what I'm saying? But you know me, I love me some Air Jordan 2s. But you know what? Enough of me talking. Without further ado, let's get into today's review. Alright guys, if you don't know, now you know. This is how we start off our reviews on the channel. We're going to take a look at the outsole. As you can see, we have a light gray, we have a dark gray. We got some white. We got the Nike, then we have the sizing. As you can see, 9.5. You guys know I'm not a 9.5, but this is all the, you know, all the sizes that J&M had, and I wanted to get this review out to you guys. But stick around to the end of the video because we'll have an on foot for you too, so stay tuned. Moving up, you kind of got that sail midsole, the whole entire the whole entire midsole, same color. Moving up, you got that aged, plastic wrapping around the entire. Pretty much the entire heel of the shoe. Moving up, like I've always said, where I think Kanye got his inspiration for his Yeezy 2s is right here. The back of the Air Jordan 2. You got the cement gray. Moving up, you got your Nike text in that glossy finish. Really nice, stitched in the box there. I like that, man. Really dope. As for inside of the shoe, as you can see, we have an all gray sock liner. Kind of like that sweatpant material, nothing too crazy. But taking a look at the front of the shoe, the toe box, it's just a standard Jordan 2 toe box. You got your perforated holes basically starting from the middle of your foot, which it wraps around the entire front all the way to the other side of your foot. But that's just how Air Jordan 2s go. As you can see, we have a flat white lace. Now these do not come with an extra set of laces. This is the only lace. If you don't know, I'm going to say it again, now you know. Me, I usually stay with the stock laces. I do not change it. We got some off-white, eyelets as well. Moving up, you got the piping. It's a we got a black piping, which it kind of pixelates it into a gray. It's really dope. I'll give you guys some of that B-roll so you can check that out. Moving to the side of the shoe, moving further to the outside of the shoe towards the heel, we have more of that reptilian skin, iguana skin, whatever you want to call it. Moving up to the heel, we got a padded, collar. The Air Jordan 2s, they always come padded. I've done a ton of the Air Jordan reviews this year. So if you want to check some of them out, just click the link at the top of the screen. But make sure you come back here and finish this one, because remember what I said, we got an on foot at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned. As for the piping, I'm going to talk about that as well. As you see on the outside of the tongue, you can see that it's got that gray piping. Now, as for the top of the tongue, I think this is the best part of the shoe, the Air Jordans Wings logo. It's just so clean. I just love it, man. The tongue, now you see how the tongue crinkles up right there? That I'm really not a fan of, but your sneakers, they're supposed to be worn. You're supposed to get creases in them. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Taking a look at the inside of the shoe, as for what's going on the inside, is basically going on the outside. That piping goes from gray, pixelates all the way from gray, then pixelates into black, back into gray. Very dope. I kind of like it. As for the leather quality, really not bad. I've seen worse. I've seen better, but it is what it is, man. Now, for my favorite part of this shoe, it has to be the insole. I don't care, the insole's a little BICTCH getting out, but we are taking it out today because the insole is just too cool, to not take out. Now, taking the insole out, this is, standard polyurethane insole. It says, let me take this off too here so you can get the whole thing. It says, look up in the air, and then you get the skyline. Very dope. See, these little details, these little hits, I really do like, man. I could appreciate that, you know what I mean? That means they're thinking about us. They're thinking about the consumer, you know what I mean? The nostalgia of the sneaker. You know what I mean? What it means to us as, sneakerheads and whatnot. But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I believe these dropped already. I'm not too sure on the exact release date. But if you do, let me know down in the comment section. But anyway, guys, if you do, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts, your opinions, just, down in the comment section, let me know. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And also, stay tuned to the end of the video because you got your on foot coming. But guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, it is your man, the Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.